Hey everybody, I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video and I promise I didn't forget about you, but as some of you parents know, having a baby turns your life upside down. Since my last video, so much has changed, including Hazel, because last time, this is what she looked like. And my goodness, does time fly, because already she's getting so big. And with 2 girls at home now, I'm officially a girl dad. And believe it or not, I made a rap video about being a girl dad. Yep, that's right. In a week or 2, I'm gonna make my rap debut. They got glitter everywhere, in my hair, on the stairs, even in my underwear. We're painting fingers and toes, and I'm sick of playing Barbies. Where's the G.I. Joe? So outside of our family, life has been absolutely crazy in our video business. So instead of making videos for everybody else all the time, I'm excited to start making videos for myself again and for you again. And now that you have updates on me and my family, I feel like you should have an update on Grandpa Tino because he's been such a big part of our community videos together. Don't you know this is supposed to be a local Wisconsin show?
Go Vikings, go! Go, go, go!
I'm gonna need a bigger budget for this show. So Grandpa Tino, he lives in an assisted living facility here in town, and besides seeing family, he watches TV all day.
Supreme Court. Again, Aaron, how do you message all of that?
Not very exciting. So we decided to fire up my Mustang and break him out of the home. All right, here we are just outside of Flippo's assisted living home. We are gonna go inside and break him out. Let's go. What are you doing?
Millions of ways to make the most of your life. Learn how to make the most of yours at deer.com.
You wanna go for a ride? In the 67 Mustang?
Yeah, what?
All right, get dressed.
What's the deal?
We're gonna go have some fun. I'm breaking you out of here.
Break it up.
All right, you ready to go?
Ready to go.
What do you think? Should we let her rip?
Oh, right. Why, oh why? Why did you tell me that?
You ready for one more?
Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Paul. Yay.
Well, what'd you think of that ride?
More than 90.
So Grandpa Tino lost his license about 6 years ago, which was kind of tough on him because throughout his life, he loved driving and collecting old cars. So he hasn't driven in years, which is probably a good thing. But we took him out in the middle of a hayfield and turned him loose behind the wheel for the first time in 6 years. All right, so we're out here in the open field where you can't run into anything.
Yeah.
It's been like 6 years since you've driven a car?
Probably.
6 years?
Yeah, maybe.
These are yours today.
Oh, me?
Yep.
For what?
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, yeah.
Well, you better put 2 hands on the wheel so we don't crash. I got a wife and kids at home.
Show you my world. Show you my world. Show you my world.
Did you miss it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
I had fun too. Well, you ready to go back to the home in the Mustang?
Okay.
All right.
Well, that's all I have for today. Thank you for your time and support and attention over the past few years, and thanks for your patience as we navigate this busy season of life. I'm excited to go on some more adventures and to create some more memories with all of you very soon.
What's that?
What year are you in?
First.
Are you? What is this here?
What's that?
Yeah.
A camera.
Me?
Both of us filming the ride.
You can see us?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, shit. Right. Oh, 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 oh.
You didn't poop your pants, did you?
Shit.
Do you remember how to drive?
Where's the thing?
There's the gas right there.
Where? Right here?
Nope, that's the brake.
Brake.
Yep.
That's a brake?
Yep.
Where's the foot?
Right next to it, right there.
Oh, here?
Yep.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Where's them kids?
Slow down.
Where's them kids?
The kids are out of the way.
Whoa, yeah.
I had fun too.
Here comes the bull.
Here comes the cows.
Cow's bull. I see.